In today's digital landscape, blogging plays a very vital role as far as HVAC business concerned. Hi, my name is Praful Varma, welcoming you yet another video of Moksh Lifestyle Hub. Blogging plays a very vital role. Whether you are a seasoned professional or a startup in this industry of HVAC business, when you use a blogging becomes a very important tool which helps you to establish your authority in the digital space. This also helps you to stand out from the competition, where you will be leveraging yourself as a subject matter expertise. This will also help you to reach your right audience, where you can have a more customers coming in, where you will have uh, sales done, and you will be optimizing your profitability. And in this series, I will take you through the my screens here, and I'll discuss with you like what are the concept of blogging, and what are those prominent things which you need to bear when you are creating a blogging as far as the HVAC business concerned. So I'll share with you the screen. So as you could see on my screen, first of all, we'll discuss about the concept. So blogging is the effective tool for a business, which I narrated to you, like how blogging can be beneficial for HVAC business. But here prominently, I'll be discussing with you HVAC business, because my expertise lies only with HVAC businesses. Whereas you can utilize the same terminology, you can utilize the same steps to using it for your other businesses, other consultancy services, where the concept is going to be remain same. So when we talk about the blogging, there are promptly three things comes in the mind. First is you get engaged with your potential customer. So that is one. Second, as it helps you to establish your authority in the marketplace, and it will also impact and maximize your overall sales. So when I talk in terms of HVAC business, uh, because you get engaged with your customer, it establishes your authority, and then finally it is impacts you to getting your sales done. Because we always have a motto, our intention is very clear when we are in a business, because I always keep saying revenue is the scorecard in the business. And when you attract the right kind of customer, right audience, this helps you to maximize your sale, and ultimately you'll be optimizing your profitability. So in this the video, we'll be prominently discussing about like how you can utilize this blogging system, which will help you to optimizing your ultimate goal, which is the profitability. And in this, I'll be talking about 5 ways of businesses which you can utilize it, and you can enhance, you can always increase your potential, where you'll be addressing the more broader audience, where you'll have more prospect coming in, you will have a more sale happening, and you will have a more profit optimization. So in that, first thing comes product demonstration. See, you have to understand one thing very clearly. When you'll be demonstrating your product in terms of the blog, you'll be basically showcasing your product. You'll be writing a small minute particles about your benefits about your product, like what is the product, how it can help to the end user, how beneficial it will be to the user as compared to the competition. And this helps you to directly address to the need of the customer. So this product demonstration always helps you through a blogging, where you'll be showcasing your product. Functionality you can discuss. Just now I told you, like you'll be talking about the minute particles, like what are the function, what are the feature, what are the benefits, where customer can have a maximum benefit coming from your product, from your services. Because here I'm not talking, when we are talking about HVAC business, here I'm not talking about the finished product. I'm talking about the product where you'll be conceptually selling it, as far as your maintenance concerned, as far as acquiring new customer concerned. So there are a lot of threads are there in that entire process. So you have to understand that on a broader level, I'm just trying to communicate to you, like, what is the concept, what is the overall on 30,000 feet height, when you will be overviewing it. These are the things you have to bear in the mind as far as the product demonstration concerned. Then third things comes is installation process. So when you'll be doing it after sales service, you'll be creating it installation manual or installation processes in form of blog, and you'll be communicating through your you'll be targeting to your right audience. So then you will be reaching to the broader places where customer can identify you. Like, you are not trying to sell something, you are not trying to push something, you are not becoming a salesy, you are trying to promote your product in a proper way where customer can feel like you are becoming a consultant for him, where you are advising him a right kind of product and solution which will be benefit him. And your blog is going to be one of the important tool which will be very handy for the customer to targeting and addressing it. Now, second thing comes a testimonial and success stories. See, when you are in a HVAC industry business, you may be having a offline business where you'll be catering to your customers. You will be having a lot of happy customers. So you can always collect a testimonial. You can collect the feedback from them. You can collect your success stories, and those stories you can showcase, you can share. So this will help you because testimonials are not for you. I always keep saying testimonials are not for you. Your success stories are not for you. It is for your new customer, for your new prospects. Because when you'll be writing, getting a testimonial and publishing on either on your Google My Business, you'll be publishing on your website. Then what will happen when customer visit to your site? When they go through the entire product portfolio, the services, the offerings, what you are making it, and when they see your happy customer testimonial, they analyze and gaze through, like, what is the commitment level you have, how fast you are providing a services, how effective you are with your client, how prominent you got a technical team or back-end team who are efficiently able to address them. So testimonial and success stories will always help you to get through those hidden milestone where you'll be standing out from the competition. Now, third things comes is educating how to video. You can create a video, and you can educate your customer, like how you can maintain your system comfortably, where for example, I'll tell you, like, if a machine got choked because filter has got dusty, you can always make a small video where you'll be guiding your customer, like they themselves can able to remove the filter, and they can able to clean it and fit it, and then machine is running it. So here what is happening, you one side you are cutting the cost, you are not unnecessarily involving your technician, and when you are educating your customer is getting well versed with the equipment what they are using it. So when you create a how to video, this always helps you in terms of uh, uh, getting a help from customer, where you will not be engaging your people, and you are handling the issues, and you will have a less call or less complaint coming in to your system. Now, troubleshooting also, you can make a how to video, which just now I narrated you. So troubleshooting also, like minor things which customers can able to handle it, those things you can make a video and you can publish it. Energy efficiency, how it works, what about your system and equipment, those things also you can work out how to video, and you can always share with your customer. So one side, what is happening when you are creating a how to video, your customer feels, or he gets the feeling like he can able to he will be able to knowing about his system well, he'll be knowing about his product well, what you have sold him, and parallelly, if there are some minor issues which they themselves can address it, and they'll not be bothering you. Now, the fourth thing which you can follow it, live question and answer session. See, when you'll be doing it live Q&A session, you'll be engaging with your audience on a real-time basis. See, today you will agree to me that the social media has become so active, and anybody and everybody can get through a social media where you can create your channel and you can address one-on-one to your customer. So what will happen when you'll be taking up, when you'll be going through a major issues which your target audience or your customers are facing at, you can address those challenges through social media, where you can engage on a real time with your audience. You can listen to them, you can understand their pain point, you can understand their challenges, and based on that you can create a customized solution and you can help them out. So live Q&A session is also one of the important factor which helps you to gather our information on a real-time basis, like what really your customers are facing it. And those information you can input, output, you can input, you can take it, and then you can create a solution in and around, and you can able to serve them. So live Q&A session always helps you. Then last point comes leveraging social media platform, which I just now told you. You can always leverage a social media platform like YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn, because these are the platform where your audience will be there. So when you'll be creating a blog, when you'll be creating a content, and you'll be using through the social media platform, when you'll be targeting a broader audience, you get a more reach, you get a maximum reach. So leveraging social media will always help you to establish yourself on a broader level on an online platform. So I hope this, with this 5 ways, you can able to optimize your entire HVAC business using a blog. And if you are a HVAC business expert and professional, and if you got a traditional business running and you parallelly wanted to optimize your sale, you wanted to cater to the broader audience, you wanted to sail through, and you wanted to maximize your profitability, then it is always viable and important you should have online presence. And if you wanted to bring your online presence where you require hand holding, and then I'm giving a link here, I'm giving a link in the description also, so you can click the link below and you can see the available slot where I can see you for 30 minutes, which is absolutely free. I can understand your challenges, and I got a solution where you can where you have a solution like I can hand hold you, and I can take you, and I can guide you like how you can take your business to the next level. Plus, I have got the customized solution based on your business requirement, where you are busy doing your important work, and we create a solution for you, and I can able to serve you, which will fit into your operation, and this will take your business to the next level. So I hope with this video I have given a lot of insight and value, and I have also told you like what I do and why I do. So with this note, I am closing my video here. And if you are not subscribed my channel, then please do subscribe. And if you have not pressed the bell icon, then certainly press the bell icon, because I'm keep on publishing lot of practical videos based on HVAC businesses and HVAC sales, which will be certainly helping you to take your business to the next level. So I'll see you with my new topic in my next video. And if you like my topic, if you love my topic, then please do share with your friends and colleagues, because they can also get benefited from this. And I'll see you with my new topic in my next video. Till then, thank you for watching this video. God bless you.